today's big question, how do you feel? Because feelings, they shape our world. They lift us up and sometimes they pull us under. In this video, we'll explore two real-life emotional moments, one filled with joy, the other with sorrow. But before we dive in, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. It helps a lot and makes sure you never miss a new lesson or story. Now, let's begin. Story 1. The surprise call. Chloe sat alone in her kitchen, staring at her phone. Weeks of job applications, rejection emails, and silence had left her very confused, miserable, and completely exhausted. She began to believe a terrible thought. Maybe I'm not good enough. Then, her phone rang. She picked it up slowly. Hello? This is Chloe? A calm voice replied, "We'd love to offer you the position." She froze. Astonished. Very surprised. And then very excited. Her heart raced. She was thrilled. Her body trembling with sudden energy. Tears welled up, not from pain but from delight and gratitude. Every worry melted. She was fascinated by how everything had changed in one moment. Now she felt proud, hopeful, and completely happy. Let's break it down. Here's your emotional landscape. A chart that maps the emotional strength. An energy level of each feeling. Very surprised equals medium strength, medium energy. Astonished equals stronger, awe-filled surprise. Very excited equals high energy plus positive anticipation. Thrilled equals intense joy. You feel it in your whole body. Delight equals gentle happiness, light and warm. Fascinated equals deep interest, not joy but wonder. Completely happy equals calm but powerful joy, full contentment. This emotional map helps us see how different feelings live in us and how strong they really are. Story 2. The airport. She sat alone at gate 22, flight delayed again. She looked fine on the outside. But inside, she was exhausted, lonely, miserable, and painfully isolated. The trip was supposed to be a fresh start. Instead, it just reminded her how lost she really felt. Then her phone lit up with an old photo, and the ache returned. She was suddenly furious, not at anyone, just at life. Tears welled up without warning. The hurt ran deeper than she expected. She was terrified that the pain might never go away. Around her, people laughed. They moved on. But she couldn't, not today. She felt terrible, heartbroken, numb. Sitting quietly, wrapped in silent grief. Watching the world board planes. While she stayed behind in every way. Emotional vocabulary breakdown. Let's look at the words that describe what she felt. Exhausted, it means extremely tired, physically and emotionally. Example, I'm so exhausted after working overtime all week. Lonely, it means sad from being alone or disconnected. Example, even in a busy city, I felt lonely without my family. Miserable, it means very unhappy, maybe hopeless. Example, she felt miserable after hearing the bad news. Painfully isolated, it means so alone that it hurts. Example, during quarantine, many people felt painfully isolated. Furious, it means extremely angry. Example, I was furious when my flight got canceled last minute. Terrified, it means very scared. Example, she was terrified during the thunderstorm. Terrible, it means very bad, uncomfortable, or emotionally painful. Example, I felt terrible after that argument. Heartbroken, it means deeply sad due to loss or disappointment. Example, he was heartbroken after the breakup. Numb, it means emotionally shut down, can't feel anything. Example, after the accident, she felt numb. Grief, it means deep sorrow after losing someone or something meaningful. Example, the family was overwhelmed with grief. Emotions are powerful. They remind us we're alive. Whether you're delighted or devastated, your feelings matter. They connect us to the world and to each other. And sometimes, just one moment can change everything. If this video touched you, share your story in the comments. Subscribe for more real-life English and emotional stories. Let's grow together, one feeling at a time.